So a complex number is a number that consists of a real part and an imaginary part. So in this case, 3 is the real part and 4 is the imaginary part, or 4j, where j, the imaginary operator, is defined as the square root of -1. Now, obviously, a negative number doesn't have a real square root, so j is defined as the imaginary operator. So by definition, j squared is -1. Now, if I had 2 such complex numbers and I wanted to multiply them, say I had 3 plus j4 multiplied by 2 minus j5. So to multiply these, you would multiply the terms one by one. So 3 would be multiplied by both, and the j4 would be multiplied by both. So let's do that term by term. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and then the 3 multiplied by negative j5 would give me minus j15. So that's 3 multiplied by negative j5. Then you do the same for j4. So positive j4 multiplied by 2 gives me positive j8. And then if you multiply positive j4 by negative j5, you get negative j squared 20. Now, j squared we've already defined as -1, so we can replace j squared with -1. And these two terms, they're like terms, they both have j's in them, so negative j15 plus j8, that's negative j7. So that gives me 6 minus j7 minus -1 times 20. So that -1 is the j squared. And then negative, operating on negative, that gives you a positive. So that's 6 minus j7 plus 20. And now these are like terms, the 6 and the 20. So these add up to 26 minus j7. So that is your final answer, where you have a real component and an imaginary component. So this is your real component, and this negative j7 is your imaginary component. And together you have a complex number. So that's how you would multiply 2 complex numbers. You'd multiply them term by term, you'd collect the like terms, and then whenever you come across a j squared, you replace it with -1. So I hope you found that helpful.